We'll guide you through how to set up payment methods on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side and click on the Settings tab. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including payment methods. Scroll down until you see the Payout Settings section. Here, you'll find options for connecting your preferred payment method. Click on Add Payout Method to get started. You'll have two main options: connect your PayPal account or enter your bank account details for direct deposits. If you choose PayPal, click on the PayPal option and follow the prompts to log in and authorize Gumroad. If you prefer bank transfers, click on the bank option and enter your bank details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure you double-check these details to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Gumroad may also ask you to verify your identity depending on your country, so be prepared to upload necessary identification documents. Once you've entered everything, save your settings and you're all set. Gumroad will now use this method to send you your earnings. It's always a good idea to check if there are any specific requirements or fees associated with your chosen method, especially if you're working internationally. This way, you won't be caught off guard by any surprises. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.